Guys, so we ended up going to Boudin's after I got out of work. He got a soup and grilled cheese. I got a veggie sandwich with chips and fries. And then I got this cookie, but I ended up not eating it. Went to the beach the next day. It was so windy. I was like, oh my goodness, like the wind was crazy. Like even they were asking people to get out of the water. I don't know if it's because of that or something else. But anyways, and then we went to this little outlet and they had this inside a store. So I got to be a black Barbie for the day. Bye guys.